of information about the bridge. We're doing a little bit of a history theme today, so we've come to the Hadrian's Wall, Brunton Turret. A little bit more about Hadrian's Wall. Well, the two turrets equally spaced between each mile castle. Well, we've seen them, haven't we, up on the wall?
Yeah.
The walls, defensive ditches and large forts stretched coast to coast, a distance of 80 Roman miles. It's nice to get a little bit of history in your area. There we go. Hadrian's Wall, Brunton Turret. Right, we've come to this church on St Oswald's Way, and it's called, I can't remember what it's called actually, I did read it. There's quite a lot of information on it. We'll get some, put a description in the link below. So, St Oswald's Way, we're here. There's a rambling countryside to join Hadrian's Wall path. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that cross. No.
Heaven filled, where King Oswald, being about to engage in battle, erected the sign of the Holy Cross, and on his knees prayed to God and obtained the victory as his faith deserved. AD 1635.
Wow. Wow. See, you come out, a bit of history today. Just see, this is part of the Northern Sage Trail. It's another link we'll put in below.